Today I'll be making vegan barley soup. Enjoy this nutritious soup made with Japanese kombu dashi and soy sauce. It's simple, comforting, and delicious. Hi, I'm Julie, your guide to easy Japanese cooking here at Chef J Cooks. For today's recipe, you will need 1/2 of onion, 1/2 of carrot, 1 cup of green leafy vegetable, 1/2 clove of ginger, 1 teaspoon of dashi powder, 4 tablespoons of barley, 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Step 1. Chop the onion, carrot, and green leaves into small pieces. Grate the ginger. Grab a copy of my new ebook from Japan with Flavor Vegetarian, featuring over 80 easy vegetarian dishes for everyday cooking. Go to shop.chefjcooks.com. Step 2. Add the chopped vegetables, grated ginger, dashi powder, barley, and water to a medium saucepan. Place a saucepan over medium heat and bring the soup to a boil. Step 3. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low. Simmer for 10 minutes until the barley is tender and the vegetables are cooked through. Step 4. Add the soy sauce and stir gently to blend the flavors. Adjust seasoning if needed. Serve the soup in a bowl and enjoy it while it's hot. I hope you love this hearty, warm, comforting vegan barley soup. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe.